Hello friends and welcome again to Recipes You Like. Today in this episode we are going to make red velvet cake, ideal for your holiday celebrations, Christmas or even for Valentine. So let's get started first by learning how to make the cake flour.
To make 1 cup of cake flour, take 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now fill this cup with all-purpose flour. So this 1 cup is your cake flour. If you are taking 1 cup of cake flour, you need 2 tablespoons of corn flour. If it is half cup of cake flour, then 1 tablespoon of corn flour and fill it till half with all-purpose flour. Now this is 2.5 cups of cake flour. To this add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Sift this. We sifted it once and now we will sift it again. This will make the cake more smooth. Now let's add 1/4 teaspoon of salt into it. Mix it. Now we are ready with our dry ingredients. Let's move on to the wet ingredients. Let's start blending the wet ingredients. We have taken about 1 banana puree. The recipe requires about 2 eggs, so in replacement of eggs we have taken 1 banana. Add 3/4 cups of sugar into it. Let's blend this up. Now add 1 cup of buttermilk into it. Now start adding the dry ingredients into it. We have taken out this dough from the jar. Now half a cup of milk and half a cup of oil together made hot and mix this into this dough. Now we need to add color into it. If you have liquid color, add 2 tablespoons of liquid red color into it to make red velvet cake. I have powdered color here, so let's take out little bit of this batter. Add half a teaspoon of this powdered color. Mix up. And now add this into the batter. Now take 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
To this add 1 teaspoon of distilled vinegar.
Foam this up. Now immediately add this mixture into the batter.
You can even add the soda and the vinegar directly into the dough or the batter without mixing both of them separately.
Now take a baking dish. We have greased the baking dish and then sprinkle some flour over it, or you can even line the dish with the wax paper or tracing paper. Pour the batter in it. If you have 2 identical baking trays,
You can divide the cake batter
into separate baking trays, or if you have only one such, you can bake half the batter in one batch and then half again. The oven has been preheated at 180 degrees Celsius, that is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now let's bake this. It will take about 35 minutes or till the toothpick comes out clean. We are baking this in the convection mode in the microwave. Keep it on a low rank. The cake is soft and moist. We'll let this to cool down and then remove. Let's wrap these pieces and refrigerate them till they become firm, and after that we will cut this up and make the frosting for it. Take 2 cups of cream cheese. 1 full cup of heavy cream, add 3/4 cup of confectionery sugar or powdered sugar, add a teaspoon of vanilla essence,
Apply the made frosting between all the 4 layers cut. Final touch, decorate with strawberry jam. And some fresh strawberries. And yes, give your feedback in the comment section below. We are waiting for it. You can even hit the like button, add this video to your favorite, or even share the video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Subscribe with us for more such lovely recipes. Till then, keep healthy and enjoy cooking.